What's up guys, TC Triangle here, and I'm finally going to be unboxing the Mami figurine that I said I was going to unbox several months ago now. Sorry for the delay, but here it is. This is going to be a really quick video because there's really not much to talk about when it comes to figures. I am planning to do a video guide on how to collect figures, anime figures, so stay tuned for that. But this one is just going to be an unboxing video. I bought this in Akihabara, and the one thing I like about Akihabara stuff is it's basically guaranteed that they're real and high quality. And as you can see right here, they have a nice wrapper that protected the package, because I imagine like anime enthusiasts like collecting even the box. But for me, I had to take this figure home on a plane, so it was inevitable that I kind of banged up the box, unfortunately. So if you can see here, it's a bit out of shape right here. But anyway, I paid you can see this. I paid 73.80 yen for this figure, which is approximately, if you take the exchange rate as the current exchange rate, it's about $70. At the time I bought it, the exchange rate would have been $75, but around that way. But if you're going to be going to Japan, it's better to just buy, and you have like extra room in your luggage and you love collecting figures, it's better to just buy the figures physically rather than have them shipped back to the US or wherever you live, because the shipping fees alone are like 20 bucks, which is not worth it. So anyway, here is the package. Pretty good design. This is by Good Smile Company, which is pretty much universally agreed upon the best anime figure. I'd say Kotobukiya comes pretty close, but I'm pretty sure Good Smile has like the most loyal fans and the biggest sales. So let's get this open and see what is inside. So here is a kind of warning slash how to dispose of this figure slash whatever the lawyer told them to put in the package. And here is our star. As you can see, for the accessories, she has 2 guns and 2 replaceable arms plus a stand. So not quite as customizable as, say, Figma's are, but still pretty decent in terms of their collectability. So let's try to get this out with the least damage possible. Okay. You can't tell from here, but the box actually has little plastic things to keep the figure from knocking against the package. So, like this, even the arms has a bag around them to keep them from being damaged. So here's a close-up of the figure. Very, very pretty. The hair is kind of movable, soft plastic, but the rest is hard. So, and here are her legs. And the top of her head. And her outfit is actually hard. So unlike her hair, it's not like movable. Here's her and then if you wanted to replace the arms, you would gently pull this part out and put them in. And the purpose of these replacement parts are obviously to hold the guns. Let me see if I can get them get the hands on the gun. Here we go. So here's approximately what the hands look like with the gun. I'm not gonna put them onto the figure just yet, but and for the gun itself, they're pretty detailed. And very long and thin, so they might actually get damaged easily, so you have to be really careful. But let's try putting the arm on this gun. Okay, so here's what it looks like with the hand on. And for the stand, it's this foot. On here. And it's rather precarious. I mean it's fairly stable, but it just feels like it's with just one foot, it's kind of easy to knock it over. But I have to say that when I do this, it doesn't fall over. So anything that's normally wouldn't knock it over will not knock it over. So like the wind or anything that's not basically like a human or a pet will not be able to knock it over. So overall, a very well made, good quality figure. And it's, in my opinion, a steal for just approximately $75. And yeah, so stay tuned. I'm going to be putting up a guide to figure collecting soon. I hope you guys watch that. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time.